Hello, adventurers. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to Glastonbury Tor in England. This historic site has been a place of pilgrimage since ancient times and is steeped in folklore and legend. Glastonbury Tor is an intriguing landmark, with its mysterious mounds and ancient ruins. It's said to be the legendary Avalon, the mythical island where King Arthur was taken to be healed after the Battle of Camlann. Another legend claims that Joseph of Arimathea brought Christianity to Britain by landing at Glastonbury and establishing the first Christian church on British soil. The Tor offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape, with its grassy hills rolling out 4 miles around. It's also home to a number of ancient ruins, including St. Michael's Tower, a 14th century structure built on the summit. This tower offers not just a breathtaking view, but also a sense of peace and reflection. So why not join us on this virtual journey? Let's explore Glastonbury Tor together and learn about this fascinating part of English history. And remember, if you ever find yourself in England, this is a place you should definitely visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy travels.